Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you the step-by-step process of removing the background from an image in Photoshop. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. First go to Select option and choose Subject. Your subject has selected. Click here to add mask. Click here and choose Solid Color. Press OK. Drag this layer behind main layer. You can change the color to double-click here. Press OK. Now we will try second method. Click here and choose Quick Selection tool. Click here and resize brush. Make selection to drag brush like this. Now follow previous method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more update.